Yes, we have completed up to question number 10. Now in question number 11 we have to use cross multiplication method to solve this equations. You can see in 11a they have not given any term using y. So it is not simultaneous linear equation, is it? Only one variable x is given. So we are not going to solve number a, that is wrong something, maybe misprint or something, I don't know, because there is no y is given, only one variable, only x is given. So we are not going to solve it. Look at question number b. Here it says 11b. The question is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 11 and 3 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 3. Now we can see the variables are given in the term of 1 by x. So what we are going to do, let 1 by x be u and 1 by y be v. So that's what it gives you. U plus v is equal to 11, and that we can write it u plus v minus 11 is equal to 0, and this gives you 3u minus 2v is equal to 3. So that could be written as 3u minus 2v minus 3 is equal to 0, because we have to bring it in the term of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now we have now a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. a1 we have got 1 and a2 we have got 3, b1 we have got 1 and b2 we have got minus 2 and c1 we have got minus 11, where c2 we have got minus 3. The formula you know, though here I have not xy, so I will be taking u, v and 1. I have taught you b1, b2, c1, c2, then in between c1, c2, then a1, a2, then again b1, b2, is it? This is the formula. I have not taken xy, though here instead of xy I have taken as u and v. Now I will be replacing the values. It gives you u by b1 is what? 1. Okay, maybe I can write once more. That is b1, b2's value 1, 2, then c1, c2 minus 11, minus 3, a1, a2 1 and 3, and again b1, b2 1 and 2. Now we can go for the cross multiplication. So u by b1 into c2, so 1 into minus 3 minus, this is minus 2, b2 is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 11 is equal to v by minus 11 into 3 minus 3 into 1, then come is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 1. So this all the values I have placed. Now you just see what does it gives. It gives you u by minus 3 minus 22 is equal to v by minus 33 plus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 2 minus 3, or it gives you u by minus 25 is equal to v by minus 30 is equal to 1 by minus 5. So till here we have solved. Once again I am saying you, 1 by x is taken as u, 1 by y is taken as v. So 1 by x plus 1 by y is written as u plus v is equal to 11. Then 11 is taken left side, that gives you u plus v minus 11 is equal to 0. Similarly, for the next equation, 3 by x is written as 3u and 2 by y is written as 2b is equal to 3. Then 3u minus 2b minus 3 is taken left side is equal to 0. Then we have the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c and c2. And then we have applied the formula u by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to b by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this formula is applied. Then finally I am left with u by minus 25 is equal to b by minus 30 is equal to 1 by minus 5. Now the upper portion I am going to draw. This will be continuing. See, it is looking little difficult, but it is not. You just try, you will get it. Okay. Now, once we get this, we can write it therefore u by minus 25 is equal to 1 by minus 5. So that's what u is equal to minus 25 by 5 minus 5, or u is equal to plus 5. So 1 by u was okay. Then next again v by minus 30 is equal to 1 by minus 5, or v is equal to minus 30 by minus 5, or v is equal to plus 6. Now u is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by is equal to 5. So that's what x is equal to 1 by 5, and v is equal to 1 by y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 1 by 6. So we have got the value of x and y. Is it? Just have a look, please. See, I have got the value of u and v. Then u was taken as 1 by x. So the 1 by x value is 5. So x would be 1 by 5. And v was 1 by y. So 1 by y's value is 6. So y would be 1 by 6. Then the values are placed. Same way you have to use for question number B, C, D and not E up to F. Now what you have to do, B already we have done, C you have to do, then D, E, F, where you have to take 1 by x plus y is equal to u and 1 by x minus y is equal to v. Now you have this Saturday and Sunday, I will not be sending the videos, so you have enough time. You finish up to question number F, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Okay, you have to finish up to F. Then after that I will be explaining you maybe GH, one of the sum I will be explaining. Then we can start the word sums related to this simultaneous linear equation. Number 1, A, 11A you don't have to do. B already it is done. C, D, E, F, this 4 sums you have to finish within Sunday, because Monday you'll have the next video. And if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Okay, so till then keep practicing. Thank you so much.